This is my first FIO product after a long time because after the FIO F9 Pro, I really lost interest in it because it wasn't really good. It wasn't what I was expecting it to be. The first generation, to be precise, but the later generation were rectified. They were much better. But the FIO F9 and F9 Pro were really bad, especially the first edition. The initial batch was really bad, and I really lost interest in FIO products after owning a lot of them. I owned the FIO FH5, then FIO Q1 Mark II, and those were just abysmal products. They were not good enough at their primary target, at what they are supposed to do. They were not good enough. But things have been different lately. They have been launching a lot of products, and this is supposed to be their single dynamic driver flagship FIO FH5. It looks heavy. Last time we unboxed the Shozi, and it was really lean when it comes to set of accessories. This one is supposed to have a lot of accessories and final audio MMCX tool too. So yes, FIO or FIO, whatever you would like to call it, has been really generous about the amount of accessories they are giving with their earphones. FD5, the single dynamic driver flagship FIO FD5. Let's remove this. Come on. Okay, there we have it. FIO FD5, FIO, whatever you would like to call it. Dynamic driver in-ear monitor FD5. Where am I supposed to open this? Okay, this way. Okay, nevertheless. Born for music. Okay. Nice presentation. The case looks good. Oh, come on. Wow, it's a big one. It's a big one. I was thinking this might not be this big, but it's a big one. Come on. Fairly spacious. Looks good. Nice case. Let's have a look at the accessories, then we will look at the IM. We have a few plugs, as the cable has removable plugs, so we will look at that at a later stage. These are the narrow bore nozzles. This is the final audio MMCX tool, final audio MMCX removal tool. These are the set of tips. Wow, balance tips, memory foam tips, tri-flange. These are vocal tips, these are bass tips. I would like to try the balanced tips on this. Okay, these are generic kind of tips. Okay, I already have this type of tips with me. So these are bass tips, these are vocal tips. Let's try the vocal tips. Oh, come on, these are really generic kind of tips, and they have just named them according to the tips characteristics, and nothing different there. Okay, so yeah, This is Born for Music. Quick start guide. It's a booklet, big one. To be precise, let's have a look at few specification if there is any. Nah, no specs on it. No specs on it either. There's another booklet. So this is the guide how to remove the plugs. We will see. We'll look into it. This is much more intriguing than the Shozi. Shozi was really pale in comparison to this. How am I supposed to reach this? Okay. This is the cable. Nice, nice. It feels good in the hand. Kind of on the heavier side, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay to be heavy. The metal shell of this IM is slightly on the heavier side, but it still is okay, aptly heavy. The nozzle is long enough, which is a good thing because yeah, nozzle can be a problem for most of us, especially the shallow nozzle which creates problem with seal and stuff. This is much better. Good looking earpieces. Let's have a look at the cable. This is the cable, 8 core. I think this is SPC or something. Where are those bits? Let's try changing one. So it says rotate. Okay. Follow the arrow direction. Okay. We want the arrow direction. Pull the male end off. Detach the two connectors. Acha. Okay. Yeah, that's that. Nice, not bad. While attaching, there is a notch. You guys can see there is a groove, and you just have to place it in there and push it. That's reasonable. This is good. This is good attachment from good arrangement from FIO here. This is good. I like this. I like this. I'll try the balanced plugs and compare it with UM3DT, and I'll let you know if this is good enough or it's just okay. Let's see. Thank you for watching. This is the unboxing of FIO FD5, the single dynamic driver flagship from FIO. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.